Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. This is Mike with Team Turner, and I wanted to make this quick video to discuss 15111 3rd Drive East. So this is a really nice colonial style ranch home in Country Creek. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,174 square feet for $860,000. And this is a really nice home. The interior has a lot of natural light. You can see here these windows bringing in a lot of light into the living room. Nice tile floors. A couple more shots of the living room here. So a lot of space and some nice features and finishes on the interior. And another cool thing is the kitchen. I know this like deep rich color on the bottom level of the cabinets is coming, it's a really nice style choice. Updated appliances. So if you guys are not familiar with Country Creek, this is located just north of Lakewood Ranch here. I have the map pulled up. And there's a ton of new construction commercially and residentially going on out here. This area is booming as far as population goes. And the difference between Country Creek and the newer developments is the lot size. So all these new developments, the land is so valuable nowadays that they're squeezing these properties on lots that are a sixth of an acre, an eighth of an acre, whereas Country Creek was built a few decades ago. The landscaping has really grown in, but more importantly, the lot sizes are huge. So this particular property, the lot size is 0.62 acres, so well over a half an acre lot. So that trend, as the trend of smaller lots continues, this home should age really well as far as property value is concerned, because this area is going to get more and more populated, and you're just not going to see many homes on large lots. Let's see if I can get a nice, as you can see, the pool, jacuzzi combination, and nice photos of the backyard as well. So yeah, the open house is going to be 1 to 4 on Saturday. So I've included that in this email as well, so double check that. But yeah, come by 1 to 4 on Saturday. Gary Turner will be there. Bring friends, bring family. Should be a really nice time. So hopefully we will see you guys there.